Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 7.2. Find the slope of the tangent to the curves at the respective given points. Here, first one, y equal x power 4 plus 2x square minus x at x equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal 4x cube plus 4x minus 1. You have to find dy by dx at x equal to 1 is 4 into 1 cube plus 4 into 1 minus 1, which is equal 4. 1 cube is 1, 4 plus 4 minus 1, 7. Therefore, slope of the tangent of the curve, given curve at x equal to 1 is 7. Then we can put x equal to 1, that is m equal to 7 also you can put. Slope is m. Next, the question number 2. The curve is given as x equal a cos cube t and b equal sin cube t at t equal pi by 2. So we will differentiate with respect to x. Dx by dt equal 3a cos squared t, and cos t differentiation is minus sin t. Then here dy by dt, here y equal dy by dt equal 3 sin squared t. Sin t differentiation is cos t. Now dy by dx equal dy by dt over dx by dt. Dy by dt is 3 sin squared t cos t over minus 3 where b sin cube t. Here we have 3b. Then we have here 3b and minus 3a cos squared t sin t, which is 3 and 3 cut, minus b by a sin squared cos squared is tan squared t, and before that we can cut this here. 1 cos t square cut, sin is cut this one, so we have minus b by a tan t. Now we have to, therefore slope at, we have to find slope at t equal to pi by 2. Therefore we have slope of tangent at t equal pi by 2 is equal dy by dx at t equal pi by 2 equal minus b by a tan pi by 2. tan pi by 2 is infinity, so we have minus b by a into infinity is equal infinity only. So the slope m is infinity. Now question number 2. Find the point on the curve y equal x squared minus 5x plus 4 at which the tangent is parallel to the 3x plus y equal to 7. Now first we have to find the differentiation of the curve y equal x squared minus 5x plus 4. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal 2x squared minus 5. Therefore the tangent m1, therefore you can keep it, slope of the tangent to the curve equal, let it be m1 equal to x squared minus 5. Now it's given this is the tangent is parallel to the line 3x plus y. Now slope of the given line, that is 3x plus y equal to 7, is minus which we can write as y equal minus 3x plus 7. Therefore slope is minus 3, that is m2 equal to minus 3. Here both lines are parallel, therefore slopes are equal. Slopes m1 equal m2, therefore we have 2x squared minus 5 is the slope of the curve and slope of the line is minus 3. Therefore 2x squared equal 5 minus 3, therefore 2x squared equal to 2 and x square equal to 2 over 2 is 1, x equal to square root of 1, which is equal plus or minus 1. We have to find the point at which the tangent is parallel to the sun. We have to find the point. So x we got, x is 1, not 2x square here. This is 2x minus 1, because differentiation of x square is 2x minus therefore 2x equal minus 3 plus 5, 2x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. Therefore we got x equal to 1, the point. Substitute x equal to 1 in the curve, and y equal x cube minus 5x x square minus 5x plus 4, x square minus 5x plus 4, y equal 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 4 equal 1 minus 5 plus 4 equal 0. Therefore the required point on the anchor point is x equal to 1 and y is 0. we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.